Let's refresh our childhood memories with this delicious cream roll. Now, I'm sure you had one of these when you were a little child or a kid, and it's delicious and really easy to make. So, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and let's start with the video. So, we're going to make a DIY molds for this cream roll. So for this, I'm going to wrap the aluminum foil just like this so that it can form a cone shape. Now to smooth it out, I'm going to just wrap it one more time so it's a nice and smooth texture, just like this. So I have prepared about 4 or 5 depending on how many you're making. And then I have this puff pastry sheet which I have bought from the store. You can use ready-made or you can make your own. And then I'm going to just spread it out. Make sure to defrost it before you start. And then I'm going to cut into strips just like so. And to our aluminum foil cone, we are going to apply oil or butter so that it doesn't stick and it can easily demold. Now we are going to gently wrap the pastry sheet around this aluminum foil cones. Do not tighten it, just loosely wrap around the cone so that we can easily demold it after they are done. So just like this, I have prepared all the cones and I'm going to bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's nice and golden. And now to whip the cream, I'm going to use this beautiful appliance. It is a hand mixer. I have linked the product in the description box. It's very compact and handy. Now I have chilled a bowl into the freezer so it's nice and chilled, and I'm using a whipping cream. You can use a homemade cream also. So I'm taking about 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and then to that I'm adding half cup of confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. So take about a half a cup, or as per your taste. If you like more sweet, you can add more. And use few drops of vanilla essence or any flavor that you like. If you like strawberry, you can use strawberry. Now whisk until it has a nice peaks. So it will take about maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and as you can see, it's started getting peaks. And whip until it's kind of nice and firm. Now I'm going to take it into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag. You can use it just like here I'm using. Take a Ziploc bag, place it over a glass, and then take the whipped cream, fill it up, and we are going to put it in the freezer for about few minutes so that it can nicely firm up more. So cut it when you're ready. Right now it goes into the freezer. So our cone is also done. It's nice and golden brown, as you can see. Now let's demold it. So to demold it, I'm holding it gently so that it doesn't break, and I'm kind of twisting the foil so that it can come out really easy, just like so. Now if you feel like that it is kind of needs more time in baking, you can put it back into the oven for about few minutes more so that it can be baked nicely from inside as well. Now you can see it has a nice hollow cavity so that we can fill it up with a whipped cream. Now when you're ready, just pipe the whipped cream through this cavity. So you're just going to press it until it goes all the way. Just like so. So isn't that a really easy recipe? So I hope you like this recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And here I have some sprinkles that are golden, so I'm going to make it fancy and sprinkle it. Normally sugar crystals are added, so I'm going to fill all my cones and sprinkle some sugar crystals. And here we go, our cream rolls are ready. I hope you like this recipe, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.